It is time to write some code. First, remove the start and update functions. We can create these functions later. Create a header called player sprites. Now add a serialized field sprite ball sprite. We need to add all of our other stickman sprites here, like stop sprite, go sprite, back sprite, and win sprite. Save the script and back to the editor. Now attach all the sprites here. Select ball sprite, stop sprite, go sprite, back sprite, and win sprite. It's time to add some important components in the stickman object. So first, add hingejoin2d component. When you add hingejoin2d component, rigid body component also add by default. Nothing to change inside the rigid body, so close this. Now inside the hinge joint, we need to change the motor speed to negative 12.44. You can customize these values according to your gameplay experience. You don't need to blindly follow all these values. That's the way you learn more about game development. Uncheck this component. We can make it active using our script. Now add line render component. Inside the position, increase the X value so we can see our line properly. Okay, it's not visible right now, so find the material option and add a default line material. Now you can see this. Our line is too thick, so change the width. And inside the position, change the X value to 0 again. That's it for the line render. Now add a circle collider 2D and check the collider is attached properly to the stickman object. That's perfect. I drag my script component in the bottom. Now go back to the Visual Studio. We need to give the reference to all the components we add in stickman object. So add a header called components, private hinge joint 2D hinge joint, private rigid body RP, private line render, private sprite render, sprite. Inside the start method, give the reference to all these components, like hinge joint is equal to get component hinge joint, RB is equal to get component rigid body 2D, line renderer is equal to get component line renderer, and sprite is equal to get component sprite renderer. Save the script and go back to the editor.